Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy Z Fold 6, following the Galaxy Z Fold 5, solidifying its leading position in the foldable phone market. Rumored upgrades for the Z Fold 6 include a redesigned hinge aimed at reducing the noticeable display crease. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands as Samsung's top flagship for 2024, boasting impressive features: 4 rear cameras, a titanium design, an S Pen stylus, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, Galaxy artificial intelligence features, and 7 years of software support. This positions it as a strong contender for the best Android phone of 2024. Design-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 aims to perfect Samsung's foldable formula with a reinforced hinge, lighter build, armor aluminum, and a square design. It features a slightly wider external screen and a shorter but wider inner screen for improved ergonomics. Despite efforts to reduce it, the Z Fold 6 still exhibits a visible display crease, unlike competitors like the OnePlus Open. The device weighs a surprisingly light 239 grams. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a titanium body, a nearly flat design, and a built-in S Pen silo. Display-wise, the Z Fold 6 features a 7.6-inch AMOLED with dynamic refresh up to 120 Hz, while the S24 Ultra sports a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X with Corning Gorilla Glass armor. Performance-wise, both phones feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, offering strong graphics and battery efficiency. They share similar RAM and storage options. The Z Fold 6 promises 7 years of software support, matching the S24 Ultra. Camera-wise, it retains a 50-megapixel main camera setup, whereas the S24 Ultra excels with a 200-megapixel main and advanced telephoto options. Battery-wise, the Z Fold 6 includes a 4,400 mAh battery and 25-watt wired charging, while the S24 Ultra boasts a larger 5,000 mAh battery and faster 45-watt wired charging. In conclusion, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and S24 Ultra cater to different preferences: innovation and foldability versus traditional design and robust features, each appealing to distinct user bases. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.